Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today, I will show you how to make a quick stir-fry squid recipe. I usually make this when I invite my family over. The exact amount and the ingredients are in the description box. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by cleaning the squid. We need to take out the organs from inside. Then remove the skin. Now cut it open to remove the beak and remove all the skin. Then take off the ends of the snap piece. Let's cut the bell pepper and remove the seeds. And cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now cut the onion the same way. Let's smash the garlic and take off the skin. Next, cut it in half. Now cut the squid into bite-sized pieces. Let's split the body. Then skewer the squid. Be careful not to cut all the way through. Now marinate with Shaohsing wine and vegetable oil. Massage it in. Next, mix the sauce. Add water, salt, chicken powder, black pepper, and cornstarch. Mix well. Now boil the peas and pepper for a minute. Then take it out. Then cook the squid for 45 seconds. And take it out. Next, add some oil into the hot water. Add the garlic to release the fragrance. Then add in onion. Now add the squid in. And add all the vegetables. Add in Shaohsing wine. And add the sauce. Now finish with sesame oil. Remove from the heat and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Looks so yummy. The squid is firm and chewy. It's very delicious. Let's try the veggies. The veggies is crunchy and sweet. It's very delicious. It's very fragrant from the onion, sesame oil, and garlic. You can try it. It's very, very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。